Brace yourselves, the Tricam phones are coming. While the early prototype of the Huawei P20 that leaked yesterday still featured the dual camera config of last year's P10, it was obviously not what the retail device will end up looking like, judging from today's leaked case renders of the P20 Plus. Here, you can clearly see the triple vertical camera setup that we saw on the 360-degree renders not long ago, coming from a rather reputable source. As a reminder, the P20 might have Plus and Lite models, as Huawei is known to throw in, which will feature different designs, sets of cameras, and power under the hood. The leaked Plus prototype, for instance, was interesting in its own right, as its front showed a top bezel cutout in the iPhone X's notch style, bringing the screen-to-body ratio way up. Let's not forget that Huawei teased a 3D face recognition system similar to Apple's not long ago, and perhaps we will see its iteration in the new P-series handsets. Source: Playful Droid.